We've debugged impossible code, we've built entire applications from scratch, we've scored some unbelievable goals together, we've built an amazing community here. And today I want you to help me take it to the next level. Okay, so if you've been a subscriber for a while, you must know how much I like doing this. So whether it's exploring new coding things, programming things, gaming in FC25, building an entire application live for you guys. This channel is basically my passion, and that's all thanks to all of you. Your suggestions, comments in the live chat, DMs are what make this community great. I have so many bigger ideas for this channel. I'm talking about ambitious coding projects you can build together, higher quality streams with better equipment, and even some exclusive content that I just haven't had the time or resource to create. And that's why I'm so excited to finally be launching the channel memberships. Okay, so your support at any level is a direct investment back to the channel. I still don't have a better camera, so you can invest in that to provide high quality streams, and maybe a better PC for streaming, because sometimes my streams be laggy. What else? Internet. Sometimes my internet is slow. That's why I haven't been streaming daily, and more. Yeah. So if you ever gotten value from one of my tutorials or just enjoyed hanging out on the streams and you just want to be a core part of this channel's future, I'm personally inviting you to join. The join button is right below next to the subscribe button. You can check out all the perks and see which tier is right for you. Even the lowest tier makes a massive difference. Okay, and I want to make one thing crystal clear. If becoming a member isn't right for you right now, that is completely okay. The videos you know and love aren't going anywhere. Your likes, your comments, and just you being here watching is more than enough. And I'm incredibly grateful for every single one of you. Thank you for letting me do what I love. I'm so unbelievably excited for what we are going to build together. Let's go get it.